Friends, welcome to another class of static tests. In this class, we'll discuss some more details about median and also we'll discuss the relation between mean, median and mode. So let's start the class. Median for discrete series. A series having observation x1, x2, x3 continues up to xn with respective frequencies f1, f2, f3 and continues up to fn is known as a discrete series. To find the median in discrete series, first, we need to arrange the data in either in ascending or in descending order of xi, and then cumulative frequency of all the observation is found out. Let n be the total number of observations. Then we have two options, two cases. That means if n is odd, median is nothing but the value of n by n plus 1 by 2th observation. And if n is even, median equals to 1 by 2 into value of n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Here for the value of observation, we consider the cumulative frequency just greater than or nearest to the position of the observation. Let's see an example. Following data represent the number of vehicles stand in different lane near a toll tax collection center. Find the median of the following frequency distribution. The given data is in ascending order. Let the lane number, let's say, be xi. So the cumulative frequency of the given data can be given as follows. So here it is clear the total cumulative frequency, or we can say n, is 120. That means it's even. Here n is 120. Now we know when the n is even, median is nothing but 1 by 2 into value of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Or here in this case it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 120 by 2th and 120 by 2 plus 1th. That means nothing but 60th and 61st observation. But again, we came across in such cases, in case of cumulative frequency, we see the frequency either equal or greater than. That means in this case, we are getting 60th and 61st observation. So the number which is close to 60 or 61 is nothing but 65. Either equal, we have to take the number either equal or greater than the given number. So here it is 65. That means both 60th and 61st observation in the cumulative frequency is 65 and the corresponding xi is 5. So the median is 1 by 2 into 5 plus 5, which is nothing but 5 is the answer. Median of group data. To find median of group data, we need to find the cumulative frequency of all the classes and n by 2, where n is the number of observation. Now, the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or nearest to n by 2, that is taken as the median class. Once median class is obtained, median is found out using the following formula. That means median is nothing but L plus n by 2 minus Cf whole divided by f whole into h, where L is nothing but lower limit of the median class, n is the number of observations, Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, f is frequency of the median class, and h is the class width. Let's see an example. 200 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory. Their frequency distribution of the number of letters in the surname are as follows. Find the median of the given data. The cumulative frequency distribution of the given data can be given as follows. So here we got n equals to 200. That means it is nothing but even number. Here n equals to 200. So n by 2 is nothing but 200 by 2, which is equals to 100. Now the number which is close to 100 is 80, but we have to take the number which is either equal or greater than 100. Here it is 160. That means we can say the median class is 10 to 15. Since the cumulative frequency just greater than 100 is 160, the corresponding class interval is 10 to 15. So we have the median class 10 to 15. That means L equals to 10, see f equals to 80, h equals to 5 and f equals to 80. Now the median is nothing but L plus n by 2 minus CF whole divided by f into h, or it is nothing but it is 10 plus 100 minus 80 whole divided by 80 into 5, or in solving we are getting median to be equals to 11.25. Hence the median is 11.25 is the answer. If median of the following frequency distribution is 24, find the value of x. So in the given table, the median is given, but one frequency, the frequency of the class 20 to 30 is missing, right? And it is represented by x. We have to find the value of x. The cumulative frequency of the given data can be given as follows. Given that the median is 24, that means it lies between 20 to 30. So the median class is 20 to 30. Now L equals to 20, CL equals to 30, H equals to 10, F equals to x, and n by 2 is 55 plus x whole divided by 2. Now putting the value in the given formula, that means median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF whole divided by F whole into H, we are getting 24 equals to 20 plus 55 plus x by 2 minus 30 whole divided by x whole into 10. For in solving we get it is nothing but 4 equals to x into x minus 5 into 5, or it is 4x equals to 5x minus 25, or x equals to 25. Hence the value of x is 25 is the answer. Let's see the relationship between mean, median, and mode. The relationship between three measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency are nothing but mean, median, mode. These three are called measures of central tendency. The relationship between three measures of central tendency is given by mode equals to 3 into median minus 2 into mean, or it can be written as mean equals to 3 into median minus mode whole divided by 2, or you can write median equals to mode plus 2 into mean whole divided by 3. Let's see an example. Mode and mean of your data are 12K and 15K respectively. Find the median of the given data. Given that mode is 12K and mean is 15K. Now we know median is mode plus 2 into mean whole divided by 3. So here we can find median to be equals to 12K plus 2 into 15K whole divided by 3, which is nothing but 14K. Hence, median of the given data is 14K is the answer. A survey regarding heights in centimeter of 15 boys of class 10 of a school was conducted, and following data obtained. Find the median height. Here, in the given question, the table are not in discrete order. It is a less than median table, because it is a less than 140, less than 145, less than 150, and this 140, 145, 150 is nothing but the upper limit of the class. And here the number of frequencies, number of students, that means you can see the frequency is given. Let's see the answer. To calculate median height, we need to convert the given data into a continuous group frequency distribution. The given frequency distribution is a less than type, and the numbers 140, 145, 150 represent the upper limit of the class. So we can have the class interval as the students below height of 140 centimeter, that is 135 to 140, and then we have 140 to 145, 145 to 150, and so on. And the last such class interval should be 160 to 165. Now, the frequency of the class interval 135 to 140, that means the number of students below the height of 140 is nothing but 4, so it is 4. Now, the frequency of the class interval 140 to 145 will be 11 minus 4, because 11 is the number of students whose height is less than 145. That means it includes this 4. It includes the number of students whose height is less than 140. So in between 140 to 145 is 11 minus 4, which is 7. Likewise, the frequency of the class interval 145 to 150 is 29 minus 11, because 29 is the number of students whose height is less than 150 centimeter. It includes the height of the students whose height is less than 145 and also the whose height is less than 140. So it is 29 minus 11, which is 18, and so on. So we can the cumulative frequency the given data can be represented as follows. Here n equals to 51, that means it is odd. So n by 2 is 51 by 2, which is 25.5, but the number which is close to 25.5 and more than 25.5 is 29. That means here the median class is one in between 145 to 150. So the central frequency greater than 25.5 is 29 and the corresponding class interval is 145 to 150. Now L equals to 145, F equals to 18, CF or cumulative frequency equals to 11 and H equals to 5. We know median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF whole divided by F whole into H, or on putting the values it is 145 plus 25.5 minus 11 whole divided by 18 into 5, or it is nothing but 145 plus 72.5 by 2, which is nothing but 149.03. Hence, the median height is 149.03 centimeter is the answer. Find the missing frequencies in the following frequency distribution if n equals to 100, 100 and median is 32. So here the median is given, the median is 32, n is also given, that means sum total of all the frequencies, or you can say the number of students is given, which is 100, but the class interval 10 to 20 and the class interval 40 to 50, the frequency of these two classes is not given. That we need to find out. Given that median equals to 32 and n, or summation of f, means summation of frequencies, is 100. Let f1 and f2 be the frequencies of the class interval 10 to 20 and 40 to 50 respectively. Since sum of the frequency is 100, we can write 10 plus f1 plus 25 plus 30 plus f2 plus 10 equals to 100. The sum total of all these frequencies, or you can say the number of students, is 100. Or you can write f1 plus f2 equals to 100 minus 25, which is nothing but 25. Then this is first equation. The cumulative frequency of the given table, sorry, the cumulative frequency distribution with the given data can be written as follows. Here n equals to 100, n by 2 equals to 50. As median is 32, the median class is 30 to 40. That means we have L equals to 30, H equals to 10, F equals to 30, CF equals to 35 plus F1. Now we know median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF whole divided by F whole into H, or putting the values, it is 32 equals to 30 plus 50 minus 35 minus F1 whole divided by 30 whole into 10, or it is nothing but 6 equals to 15 minus F1, or you can say F1 equals to 15 minus 6, which is 9. Now putting the values of F1 in equation 1, we get 9 plus F2 equals to 25, or F2 is 25 minus 9, which is 16. Hence the values of F1 and F2 are 9 and 16 respectively is the answer. Friends, here is a few questions. We'll discuss some more details, some more questions in next class. In the meantime, you keep practicing more and more such questions, and in case you come across any difficult question, feel free to share your question with me. It will be a pleasure if I can help you out in solving your doubts and solving your question. So this much for today's class. Thank you.